Welcome to another edition of Gus Does This. I've mentioned in previous videos that I do part-time taxidermy. I specialize in birds, and today I am working on a turkey. Here it has just defrosted. Now, I'm not showing you from beginning to end with this turkey because I've already done all of the prep work. So there's the tail. It's been posed in a specific position and then dried, and basically it's right there where it's going to be. I've taken the head, had it shipped off, had it freezer dried, and then I've painted it back to being lifelike. I've removed his beard in preparation for putting it back on. Didn't want it getting all messed up. I've purchased a body and put it together with his legs and put it on a little pedestal here. This is just a chunk of wood. I've painted those legs, and so there's all the parts to put this turkey back together. So one of the first things I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go take and dry this guy off a little bit. Just basically roll him up in a few towels until he's good and dry, and then I'm going to have to blow dry him until he's mostly dry, and then we'll start from there.